Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the Roblox Crash error, which is an unexpected error occurred and Roblox need to quit. We are sorry. Let me show you how to fix this error. Method 1: uninstall and reinstall Roblox from your computer. So before going to uninstall the Roblox from your computer, what you have to do is first delete the Roblox folder from the locations named app data and temporary files. So let me show you how to do it. For that, just click on start menu and type run. Then you can see run, click on it and type here app data, click OK, and it will open this app data location and click on local, and here you can see Roblox. Just click on it and delete. Okay, now the folder is deleted from here. After that, same way, just click on start menu and click on type run and click on run, and here type %temp, click OK, and just to go, you can see Roblox here. Just select and delete. Okay, that also deleted. After that, click on start menu and type Roblox. You can see Roblox here, and right side you can see the menu. Just click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. Now the Roblox is uninstalled from your computer. After that, what you have to do is just go to Roblox website and reinstall the Roblox from there. Method to set Roblox to run as administrator. For that, just right click on Roblox player and click on properties, and here just click on compatibility tab, and here you can see run this program as an administrator. Just check this box and click apply, click OK. After that, try to play the Roblox, some games on Roblox, and it will be okay. That's it.